Hello guys, it's been a while since I did a proper DIY video, so today I'm gonna do one. There's this version of grass called pamper grass that is normally sold at decor shops, and I really wanted to see if I can make a version of it myself, and in today's video that is what I'm gonna do, and I hope that you will enjoy the video and see the outcome, how it will look like, because guys, trust me, it will look well. I'm just gonna put here a snippet of the video so that you can see how it turned out to be at the end. So I'm just going to be making this, and I'll also make a small vase so that I can be able to put it in, and I hope that you'll enjoy the video. So once again, thank you so much for clicking on the video. If you're new, you are welcome, and if you're a returning subscriber, thank you so much for always coming back to watch my videos. Please remember to like, subscribe and share, and enjoy the video to the end. Yeah, and God bless you so much as you watch.
come and show it. Tell me what you feel in your heart and your soul. There's nothing I would take for granted. With me we'll make it through. Takes two hearts to fix heartbreak. We grew apart, I made a mistake, but I'll try to make it up to you, my darling. Ooh,